Hey guys, welcome to Fusion 360 exercise number 3. Today we will be making this 3D geometrical structure as shown in this figure. Okay, let's go here in the Fusion 360 interface. So yeah, let's make a rectangle 40 by 60 first. R for rectangle and select this top plane. This should be like 40 tab and 60 enter, and yes, 40 here, 60 here, and the height is this height is 10. Select this surface, finish sketch, select this profile, E for extrude, and press 1010. Okay, next one is make this I will make this one, let's say this one is 10 mm, and I will make up to here 20 mm. So 10 already height is lifted, so 10 mm, 10 by 10. Select this plane and create sketch, R for rectangle, and the rectangle has a width of 10 mm, and select this, so it will snap at the edge. Okay, finish sketch, E for extrude, 1010, join operation. So yeah, this is 20 mm, yeah, it is given. And let's say this one is 70 mm, so 20 gone and we have to make it 50. Okay, so click here in this surface, E for extrude, and 50 mm, operation join. Okay, we have to cut this part. So from the center of this plane, 30 mm. Okay, click this here, E, sorry 30 mm, and from 20. So click this plane, create sketch, and from the center of this line it's 15, right? And from here 20 mm means from here 10 mm. Okay, and join this line like this, and you can make a mirror of this sketch. Select mirror, this line and this one, and mirror line is this center line. Okay, and press finish sketch, E for extrude, select this profile and select this profile, and make it negative extrude, cut operation. Okay, so yeah, this part is done, and we'll make this little rectangular cut here 15 by 10. Okay, select this profile, E, 15 by 10, from center here it's 10 mm, and 15 by 2. Okay, add for line. Okay, and we can mirror this line and this one, and mirror line is this. Select OK, select this profile, I mean finish sketch first, this one and this, E for extrude, select this one, and negative direction. Okay, this one is also done. Now the another part is we will make this one. Okay, 30, and this one is 50, 15. Select this face, create sketch, 30, 15, L for line, this one 15 on from center 15, and 15 means from here to here 15. Okay. Okay. And from here make a mirror line. Okay, mirror, select this line here, right? So finish sketch and press E on the keyboard and select these two profiles and negative extrude. Okay, okay, this is our object, and the last part is this one, 10 mm, right? Okay, to do this, let's make a construct a plane, mid plane. Okay, select this face and this one, so it will come under this plane. Okay, and yeah, from the center to the here 10 mm. Okay, create sketch on this constructed plane, and P for projection, select this line and this line and also this line. Okay, okay, you can press L, and from here this point to this point, right? Okay, and make close this line here like this, from here to there. Yeah, the profile is closed. Finish sketch and press E for extrude, and the extrude length is 10 mm. So on the symmetrical, you can press 5 mm, 5 on one side and 5 on 5 and 5 10 operation join. Okay, so yeah, this is our structure. Everything is done. This is our exercise number 3. I will be bringing more exercise in further days.